Millions of drivers around the world have now realised the benefits of having a dash cam in their vehicle, and that number is only increasing. This can help drivers out if they ever fall victim to a crash for cash attempt. This is where criminals purposely cause a crash in attempt to claim on the insurance money. Today's video may show one of these attempts. What do you think? Do you think this was a crash for cash attempt? So keep your eye on the silver vehicle that's approaching on the right hand lane. Let's take another look. The Volkswagen cuts in front of the camera car, then sharply brakes, causing a collision. And watch closely as the passenger gets out the vehicle and motions towards having a sore neck as soon as he exits the vehicle. What do you think? Do you think this was a brake check gone wrong, or do you think this was a crash for cash attempt?